Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created a really quick glam and something a little bit different. Like, I think I recently did a look where I did that eyeliner thing and a lot of people liked it and a lot of you were asking me to create that. So I used the new Natasha Denona Glam Palette to create this look, and I promise you it's actually very easy and it's very quick. You just need the right tools. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this. So yeah, I'm going to do like a few new things, well not new, yeah, some, but then I'm just gonna also use like a lot of new products. So first off, I'm using my Nars Sheer Glow, but the color is Aruba. I don't know why my color has changed actually. I mean, that's what they kind of matched on me and I thought it actually looks nice. I'm so in love with this brush. So it's from MAC and there we go, it's from MAC and it's limited edition actually, and I bought this recently and I think it's so cool because you've got the brush on one side and then you've got literally a sponge on the other side. Okay, so I'm going to use some of my product and just like get the foundation all over my face. Next up is my concealer, so I'm going to actually start off with my Radiant Creamy Concealer, also from Nars, but in the color Sucre first, and I'm just going to get some under the eyes. I'm going to get this sponge though, only because it's pointy, so I feel like I have a bit more control. Going to grab a little bit of Huda Beauty baking powder in banana bread. It actually smells like banana bread as well, which usually I'm not a big fan of fragrance products, but this smells really, really nice. I mean, that's only if you love banana bread, of course. So I'm just going to, with the same sponge, I'm just going to bake underneath. Okay, so while that's still setting, I'm actually going to go on with some Nars. This looks like this is all just Nars products. It's not. It's a lot of new products that I bought. So this is the liquid blush in Orgasm. So I'm just going to get some of this into my palm as well. I'm going to use this sponge now and I'm just going to press the product in. I'm going to get the Nars bronzer in Laguna, the matte one. Get any sort of smaller brush, ideally tapered, I like these as well, and then just kind of contour the face. I'm going to get another color, Vallarta, and I'm going to do my nose. So I'm just going to sort of press on the brush. Okay, so next up I'm going to do my eyebrows. To use the pencil that I usually use, is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Ta-da! I know that looks a little bit harsh, it's just I'm growing my eyebrows. I want my eyebrows to be super thick. And I don't care if you guys don't like it. I really like my eyebrows to look like this, so yes. I'm going to get some MAC Paintpot. You can use any other primer, but make sure that the primer is like really nicely like glides onto the skin. It doesn't leave you patches. Okay, so the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be working with is the new Natasha Denona Glam Palette, and I'm going to create a very simple glam look with this palette as well. I love it because it has like, I know it has like a lot of the cool tones, but I feel like some of that shimmery colors, like I feel like it's got like a little bit of the warm and then a little bit of the cool. Like, and I think this is like a palette that probably would suit everybody, and you can probably wear this with everything as well. So I think it's like super cool. Like, I love this, like love it. Okay, so first up, I'm going to use Blend, the color Blend over there, as my sort of base color. I'm going to get any sort of nice fluffy brush and I'm just gonna get this all over my eyelid. So I'm now using the color Crease over here. And what I love about this is it actually has the names for things that you can use. It's like a really cool, easy to understand palette that has like names like what you can use on the lash line, what you can use to smoke out, what colors you can use on the center eyelid, outer eyelid, or inner corner. Like some of the colors are inner corner, which is amazing. Like, I think it's like such an easy eyeshadow palette for people who are so clueless about smoky eyes. So I think this would be like amazing. Okay, so once I've used this in my crease color, I'm going to use my finger onto one of the center eyelid colors at the bottom and literally just apply this color on the center of my eyelid, like the name suggests. Okay, so before I continue, I'm going to like literally like get my lower lash line done as well. Now, what I would like to do, and I think this is a great idea, especially for people who tend to have a lot of the eyeshadow that sort of like leaks into their, you know, lines and just like sits there. Like one of these pencils, I love these. They're from Urban Decay, the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. So the color is Demolition. I'm using a dark brown, and I'm just going to very, very lightly trace the lower lash line. Okay, and I'm not gonna go all the way into the inner corner. I'm going to get this really cool detailed shader. So it's just like a really soft, fluffy, small brush, and this is from Zoeva. So I'm actually now gonna get the color Lash Lines, which is there. So I'm going to get the lash line, which is matte, dark, and I'm going to set the under eye. So where I've applied the sort of creamy product, I'm going to set this. And then now what I'm going to do, whatever is left on the brush, I'm just going to pull, and I'm just going to kind of create a lower lash line. Can you guys see? I'm literally creating a little bit of a flick. Tattoo liner from Kat Von D, and I'm basically just going to create that flick there. Can you see? And do my top line. So see how I've created very symmetrical, a thin line. Now I'm gonna show you how to create that sort of liner at the top as well. Don't do it straight away with a liner. I think that's like super scary. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the exact same brush, and I'm going to go with the color Smoke this time. Okay, so this color over here, Smoke. Same brush. And I'm just basically gonna keep my eye open so I know the shape of my eye. So don't try and close it and create that upper line, okay? So keep it open, follow that line, and just shade. Doesn't need to look perfect. Can you see how I've like created literally with like a brush? I'm gonna get a slightly smaller rounded brush. This is like another Morphe one. And I'm just going to very softly blend this whole thing out so that it doesn't look so harsh. You almost have like a template. You know exactly where the eyeliner is meant to go. So that's what I'm gonna do now with the liner. So you don't need to be scared. So try and like not go this way. Maybe do it in a way where you feel like, okay, while you're drawing, what's gonna help you? So I'm gonna start halfway. That looks wicked, right? I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. At this moment, guys, I've just been using 3 brushes, so I'm going back to my little smudger, you know, detail shade brush. So I'm gonna go into this color, the outer lid at the bottom here, which is a little bit brown. You can have the cooler color as well, but I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm just gonna add it in that little gap there. I'm going to use this little Morphe inner corner brush, so it's like rounded. And I'm gonna go with one of these inner corner colors. So I'm actually gonna get the inner corner color here. It says inner corner color. And I'm just going to do the inner corner fully. I just think we need to add some lashes and then we're done. Lashes on, and I'm going to finish off with this really cool Erre Due color. This is from Chinese in New Central Malaysia, but like I just want to add a little bit of gloss and let the focus be just the eyes. Okay, makeup done. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was like a quick glam with like a lot of new techniques, a lot of new products. So if you did enjoy it, please do give it a thumbs up, leave comments, leave feedback, let me know what you guys want to see next. And I will try and put all the products in the description box so that you can go check it out and you can go purchase it if you want to. None of this is sponsored, well, not today at least, but like I just hope this is going to be like helpful, just to do like a really quick, easy, sort of crazy, something a little bit different to what I usually do, I guess. So yeah, until next time, guys. Mwah.